Tutorial number 27. Let's start making a sketch. Let's make a rectangle and exit sketch, and let's make it a pad as we learned in the previous tutorial. So now we have an extruded rectangle. So let's create a sketch on this surface, as we knew that we can make sketches on flat surfaces, not only on these three original surfaces here or planes. So let's choose this surface, click sketch. Now you are sketching on that surface. So we said before that we are going to use the 3D geometry feature later when we have some 3D models, and this time we're going to use the project 3D element. So now we can select which edges we want to project, and it is a good tool that it saves a lot of time. For example, if you have complicated profiles or edges, it needs some time to create the same profile, but by using this feature, you just with one click create that sketch on this plane. So now we have a sketch, the same dimension like the rectangle behind. As you remember in the Inventor tutorials, Inventor automatically projecting the edges if you are making a sketch on any flat surface, but here you need to use the project the edges. So now let's exit and let's extrude the created sketch. This is sketch number 2, which has the same, it is not seen here. If you make here hide, so we have this projected sketch. So let's show again the pad as we learned before how to show and hide, and let's this time choose the drafted fillet pad and choose the sketch. Here you can specify the thickness of your extrusion. For the limit we need this surface, and you can choose the degrees of drafting, and if you want to make fillet around the edges, make preview. You can notice now we drafted the whole part with these dimensions. If you want to edit it, you can make the double click on it. Here you can change the draft angle, preview, and okay. If you want to change the fillet of the edges, you can okay, and here you have the the upper fillet. You can make it 20, preview, okay. So this is how to use the drafted fillet pad. In the next tutorial we are going to use the multi pad. So see you in the next tutorial.